Bon appétit, unwrapping the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's music to the ears of food lovers. Bon appétit. While this phrase has its roots in French, it's widely used in English-speaking contexts, especially in formal dining situations or when serving food. So, let's unfold the layers of bon appétit and understand when and how you can use it to impress your dinner guests or show your politeness. Bon appétit is a French phrase that literally translates to good appetite. It's a way to wish someone enjoyment of their meal. This saying has made its way into English due to the widespread love and influence of French cuisine and culture. In English, it's often used before starting a meal and is equivalent to saying, "Enjoy your meal." You might use bon appétit in various scenarios, such as when serving food to family or friends at home, before starting a meal at a dinner party, as a chef or server in a restaurant, when presenting a dish to customers. It's a polite expression that adds a touch of class and international flair to a meal. It's also a perfect example of how English speakers borrow phrases from other languages to enrich their own. Using bon appétit is more than just a saying, it's an expression of good wishes. It reflects a culture of hospitality and the importance of meals as a communal activity. By saying it, you're participating in a tradition that values the experience of eating together and the enjoyment of food. Many languages have their own versions of bon appétit, and it's interesting to note the similarities and differences. For example, in Spanish, you might hear buen provecho, or in Italian, buon appetito. These variations all share the common theme of wishing well to someone about to eat. I hope you now feel comfortable using bon appétit in your next dining experience. It's a small phrase that carries a lot of warmth and friendliness. Whether you're at a fancy restaurant or enjoying a casual meal with friends, saying bon appétit is a wonderful way to start your meal. Thank you for watching, and bon appétit. May you always enjoy your meals to the fullest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Happy eating and learning!